for a while. The customer wants it emptied and acid washed. So first off, taking the cover out, looking very bad obviously. Lay the cover out to dry. Polaris has been in there the whole time as well, so get that out. Got my submersible pump and the hose, going to attach that up and pump it to waste. So while that's draining down, I'm going to have a go at these copings. So what I've done, I've mixed up some hydrochloric acid with some water in that bucket. I've got the jet wash ready. Copings. Do that with all the copings all around. That'll just start eating into all the dirt and the grime and everything that's on these copings, so we can get them back to white. So after you've brushed it in and you've let it eat into the dirt for a minute on the copings, get the jet wash and just, I've got the dirt blaster fitting on the end of this. Does like circular. Alright, that's one side completely done. Looking pretty good compared to the rest. Now to just do the rest. Alright, so that's the copings done on the top. As the pool's empty, there's not much I can do until it is empty, so I'll come back tomorrow and start jetting the pool down. Alright, day 2 here. The customer turned the pump off last night. Just turned it back on again this morning, but I think I can get in pretty shortly, maybe with some wellies. Start on the shallow end and then work my way down, and hopefully the water starts going down a bit quicker. So yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, so I've got a bucket of water here, some hydrochloric acid. So probably mix like 70% water, 30% hydrochloric acid. Definitely going to need it. Nice job done. Filling up now off the hose. Take 3 days or so. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Follow your boy.